Join me in a journey around the world as my flagship membership monthly pastel painting lessons online enters its 4th year of production. This means that in addition to the vast library of content produced in years 1, 2, and 3, subscribers will get a whole new year of 12 monthly painting sessions, all for the same affordable price. Each new session for Year 4 celebrates one of 12 regions from across the globe. I'm so happy to draw inspiration and celebrate our planet Earth as we explore paintings featuring the flora, fauna, cultures, and more from the world over. As a new subscriber, you can pay either monthly and get cumulative access to 4 sessions each month, or for a one-time annual payment, you get access to all 48 sessions right away, including well over 200 videos and 48 beautifully illustrated study guides. All subscribers will also get instant access to the bonus session on nocturnes upon signing up. Each session focuses on a topic, either a fundamental of painting or a subject. The new sessions will each be dedicated to a region from around the world. Each session includes several videos and full-length step-by-step demonstrations, as well as a study guide. In all, you'll get access to hundreds of pages of study, a veritable encyclopedia of pastel painting, and well over 200 hours of video, all in your first 12 months as a member. I'll also be adding an additional video lesson to each new monthly session throughout the year that elaborates on our study. I'm introducing a new feature which I call Inside the Artist Studio. This feature will include videos that I create in my studio, exploring topics which I've never presented before, including videos of my personal process creating new art and working behind the scenes in my studio, sharing my eureka moments drawn from personal research and study, as well as candid reflections on my struggles and near misses. I think these videos will greatly benefit students as we share in the human and emotional processes involved with being a creative artist, which I think are often overlooked. Each month, subscribers will also get an in-depth 2-hour SuperStream live lesson available exclusively to members. These go above and beyond any of my free live streams, which you may have seen, in that I'll be teaching the concepts and processes of the work along with painting fundamentals and working the entire demonstration piece from start to finish. Additionally, we devote the last hour or so of these live streams to a Q&A and critique session. I'm also really excited to announce that we are adding a new dedicated critique-only live stream in Year 4. This is a wonderful opportunity for students to participate in a process which offers the quickest path towards improvement as a pastelist, where you can directly benefit from my decades of experience as a professional artist and instructor. These critiques are positive and actionable, celebrating the successes of my students and building on what's working and resolving the things that aren't. This will be the only way to get critiques from me this year, so don't miss out. I want to help you make your good paintings great. You'll have access to a members-only Facebook group where you'll find an amazing, supportive community of artists to keep you motivated and inspired along the way. Additionally, you'll get access to my monthly mileage training archive. These include 2 years worth of weekly exercises. These exercises are not finished paintings, but quick practices that you can incorporate into your daily routine that will help strengthen your craft and improve your painting skills overall. Finally, we intend pastel painting lessons online to be the foundation of your pastel practice. But for those looking to go into more detail, I always recommend my individual online workshops. As a member, you'll receive special exclusive discounts, including $20 off the purchase price of all of my online workshops. That's an increase of $5 over last year's discount savings and will go into effect July 1st. Now that we enter Year 4, our library has hundreds of hours of video lessons. We want you to think of it as a gym membership or a movie streaming service, where the point is not to watch and complete everything that is available, but to always enjoy, stay inspired, and grow and strengthen with new content. To help you navigate our vast library, we'll be introducing learning pathways this year. These guides will provide you with an order of lessons to follow that focus on specific aspects of painting or levels of experience. For example, composition, color, beginners, intermediate, and advanced pathways. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I want you to be happy and to take your painting to the next level. So what are we going to cover in your first 12 months as a member? It's a lot, but let me quickly take you on a whirlwind tour of our complete library featuring our new regional sessions. Bonus, Nocturne. Month 1, Getting Started, Gardenscapes, Clouds, and new in Year 4, North America. Month 2, Water, Rivers and Streams, Chickens and Ducks, the South Pacific. Month 3, Sky and Clouds, Flowers, Weather, and East Asia. Month 4, Dealing with Foregrounds, Birds, Still Life, the Middle East. Month 5, Including Structures, Master's Focus, the Intimate Landscape, and Eastern Europe. Month 6, Work Small and Get Better Fast, Sunrise and Sunset, Snowscapes, and Africa. Month 7, The Plein Air Experience, the Italian Landscape, Figures in the Landscape, Western Europe. Month 8, How to Paint Glowing Fall Scenes, Flower Fields, Waves, and Latin America. Month 9, Underpainting Techniques, Fall Color, the Expansive Landscape, and Arctic Regions. Month 10, The Seasons in Pastel, Roads and Pathways, Ordinary Beauty, Southeast Asia. Month 11, Focus on Composition, Seascapes, Master's Focus, and India. Month 12, Mountains, Rocks and Cliffs, Figures and Interiors, and Islands. Monthly pastel painting lessons online is intended to serve you with a foundational curriculum to keep you engaged, inspired, and constantly renewed in your pastel practice throughout the year. I want to give you the inspiration that will allow you to get behind the easel with ease every day. More than ever before, this membership will provide you with all the tools you need to achieve your painting goals. There is simply no other resource available for pastelists anywhere in the world. As you can tell, this subscription is an extraordinary value. As an artist who has been teaching for over 35 years, I can honestly say that this membership is better than any of the other types of teaching I've done throughout my career, from in-person workshops to private lessons. Watching my members progress and grow over time is one of my greatest joys. I really stand by the quality of this education and its incredible breadth and depth. It provides the foundation for a lifetime of pastel painting study. For me, the fun and work never stops, so soon I'll get started on creating content for Year 5, so we can stay inspired and continue learning for years to come. I'm looking forward to seeing your work and connecting with you in the coming year as we begin our journey around the world.